So the other day I went to my chiropractor. I must say, the feeling is unexplainable.
Deep breath. Very nice. Just want to make sure. Okay, you can turn on to the other side. Thank you. Back. Breathe in and breathe out. Can see your stomach thing. Let's take the glasses off.
Oh, okay.
Breathe in and breathe out. Shoulders relaxed. Let's bring it down. Very nice. I think I should rather do that when you're on your back. Let's just check this one quickly. Alrighty. How's that doing? I'm gonna do one more here. Shoulders nice and relaxed. Elbows. Good. You can turn over onto your back, please. Streamlining. Come a little bit lower down. Let's bring it to the side. Deep breath. Breathe out and relax. Oh, good. And you can relax your arms. And let's take a look. Lift your chin. Let's see here. Okay.